Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at Barbie Pets and Happy Pets, both from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Let's quickly set up a new background for our pets. I'm going to use green scrapbook paper for the floor. Add this Creative Town Dog Park background from the Dollar Tree. I reviewed this in a video last year. And to hide this lettering at the bottom, I used some light green paper and made some simple grass to go in front. Let's start with the Barbie Pets. There are 5 different pets in this collection. Our first pet comes with a chew toy shaped like a bone. Our first dog is brown and white, has a blue collar, a purple crown of flowers, and a blue unicorn horn. The dog is finished all the way around, and you see a pink paw print on the back side. The packaging doesn't tell us what each dog is, so I'm thinking this one might be a beagle. Let's open our next one. This dog also comes with a white bone. I think this dog is definitely a pug. It is a light brown with dark brown ears and a dark brown snout. It wears a blue hat with pink ears and a purple collar. The first dog we looked at was in a sitting position. This one is in a standing position, so I'm glad we're getting different poses. And you can see this one does have the pink paw on the right side. So far, I think the head accessories are cute, but I wish you could remove them so you could just have a plain dog. The next one, we get another bone. And this dog is white and dark gray, and it comes with a light green hat and is holding a stick in its mouth. And I think this dog is so cute. I just wish I could remove the hat. And I guess this dog is going fishing. There seems to be some fishing lures on the top of his hat. And this dog stands on all fours, but his pose is slightly different than the pug. Here's the next one. This pet comes with a different accessory. We get a pink brush. There's a paw print on the back. From the sides and the front, you can see the bristles of the brush. This dog is light brown with a white belly. And I'm happy he doesn't have a hat. He does have a little butterfly friend on his paw. Here's what this dog looks like from the back. And I'm not sure what type of dog this is. He does have a curly tail. So I don't know if it's some kind of a husky or what. If you have an idea, please let me know in the comments. And our next Barbie pet is a cat. We get another brush. Our cat is pink, and I'm going to say it's a Persian cat. It looks really fluffy. And it has a nice large tail in the back. Now let's open some Happy Pets. There are 4 different sets to collect. Looks like we got the carrying case with a gray cat. And the paint job on the cat's face isn't the best. And it is in a laying down position so it can fit into the carrying case. We get this yellow box and the top is open. The entire thing is plastic. And I think it's supposed to mimic those pet subscription boxes where you can order your pet supplies. And this does come with stickers. There aren't any instructions for anything, so you have to kind of figure out which items the stickers go on. We get a plastic yellow fish toy for the cat. A can of pet food, and you do have to put the sticker on yourself. And the label says canned pet. And you can see a pull tab on the top of the can. We have a bottle of pet vitamins. And we have our pet carrier. Once again, there aren't instructions, but this was pretty easy to figure out. It comes in 3 pieces. You have the door, the top, and the bottom. The handle was already attached to the top. The door can open and close. It just swivels. And you do have air holes on both sides. And the handle, you can lift that up and your dog can carry their pet. Next we get a yellow bone. a yellow dish that looks like two paws, and this is a food and water dish. You do get two stickers, but they're both the same thing. So I left one out, and I just figured this one would be water and this one would be for the dog's food or his bone. There's a blue razor to help groom our pet. And I'm not too sure what this piece is. It kind of looks like a massager. Here's what the bottom looks like. So I'm assuming it's something for grooming our pet. And this one comes with a bassinet and it can rock. It comes in three pieces. We have the base, the basket, and the top part, which can move. So we can give our pet some shade. And this set comes with a little dog. I think this one looks better than the cat. So we have a little, this looks more like a puppy. And it's laying down. So this is pretty decent. The puppy does fit in the bassinet pretty good, but the cat cannot fit into the carrier. Kind of hard to get his head past the door. And next is, we get a red stand and it has little ears at the top, and the blue bowls can be removed. You get a bag of dog food, and this one comes with two stickers. I didn't put it on the back side because I wanted to show you what it looked like without the stickers. And here's what it looks like with the sticker on. There's a red bottle that comes with a sticker that says pet milk, and it has a picture of a cow on it. We get an exercise wheel for our pet, and the top just sits on the base. The top part is just this yellow circle. And the base is blue, and you have to add stickers to the front and back. And this time we got a little gray dog that's standing. The dog cannot fit inside the exercise wheel, so that's a little bit of a bummer. But if you have a smaller pet that this can work with, maybe your dog has a pet guinea pig or a mouse, this could be a perfect fit for that. The stand for the water and food bowl is a pretty good height for this pet. And this one is, so we got another exercise wheel kit. We have the same stickers, so I didn't put those on just yet. The exercise wheel is the same as the previous one. The colors are just different. So we have a red top and a yellow base. The bottles are blue this time instead of red. The previous stand for the food and water bowl was red. This one is yellow, and the bowls are red instead of blue. And this time we got a brown dog, and the dog is in a sitting position. Oh, it looks like it is another bassinet. So I'm not going to put this together. It is a different color than the other one. The legs of the other one was red. Did we get a different dog? Yeah. We got a gray dog with this one. And it looks like all the other accessories are the same. They're just different colors. And this is the last one. And it is, you get a pet bed. And this one's red. And you get a sticker to go inside that's red and white checkered. You get a toy that's shaped like a cat's head. Another toy that's just a disc, and it has a paw print on the front. A small tube of nourishing cream, and you get the same sticker for the front and the back. And we got the pet house. There's three pieces that you have to put together. The red base, the yellow back piece that has a handle already attached, and the front blue piece that already has the door attached. The top has a blue bow, and the front of the house kind of is shaped like a cat. And you can push back the top portion and look inside. Oh, so this may not be a house. I think this is actually a litter box. Yeah, I think that's what it is. You can see these little grates right here. And here is our cat. It is in a standing position. And I just think they do a better job with the dogs. All of the cats look a little iffy. It does have a bow on the back side. To get the cat inside, you do have to lift the front. It cannot fit through the door. Of course, the Barbie Pets can work with Barbie dolls and Chelsea dolls, but if you're looking for something a little smaller, I think the Happy Pets would work just fine, but you might have to repaint some of their faces. Out of everything I opened today, the accessories from the Happy Pets were my favorite. I think these would make really good props if your dolls have pet stores. I do wish the carrier was a little bit bigger, but it would still make a pretty good prop. I would have liked the Barbie Pets more if they would have made the accessories like the hats removable. So my friends, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.